Hi, I'm Paulo from Chupan Games, and today we will talk about calendars. So I defined a calendar in criteria, and first I created two simple tables, one with the week numbers here, and one with the month numbers and the day from each month. Then I imported those tables into criteria. You can look at another tutorial on how to do that, but the tables are here. Once you have that, you can use a special information called criteria initialization. This, in this, you can use the node calendar to create a calendar. You can create several calendars in your campaign. This is a reasonably simple one. Okay, we have 24 hours per day, 60 minutes per hour, 60 rounds per minute, and 1 second per round. And for instance, in D&D, we have 10 rounds per minute and 6 seconds per round. But you can put, I'm creating a real clock here. Okay, so now we have the define weekdays node here, and the define year node where you define the months, and here I am adding a leap day. Okay, if the month is 2, is February, you have a leap day. It will leap every 4 years, and we have some programming here to confirm the leap because the Gregorian calendar, in fact, leap every 4 years, except when it's divided by 100, but not except it was divided by 400. That's the rule. Don't blame me. I am the messenger. Okay, now that we defined the calendar in criteria, how can we use this? Okay, we will create a campaign. I already created one. And this campaign uses that rule, okay? And this campaign uses this calendar, and you have to set the starting and the ending year so that we can optimize that and give us the weekday at the start of the first day of the year. Okay, we will edit a map here just to show you how it works. It's a simple map, it doesn't matter. And we have a game mode here. This is not ready yet, it's just, I'm just testing the clock. Okay, now we have a clock here. And we have a time here, which is about now. Now it's 21 in hours and 53 minutes. You see the clock shows here day, round. This is day, oh sorry, this is day, month and year, weekday here. This is the round, and this is hours and minutes. And you can use wherever number of hours you want. You can create days of 300 hours per day, or 17 hours per day. It doesn't matter. You define as you wish, and it will display correct here. You can also have this clock in real time. Okay, so he will start showing seconds and minutes and so on, and you may not see, but the pointers here are moving very slowly. Okay, but they are moving. And we can also increase the time of this. But let's talk about how we use this in a RPG game. In an RPG game, for instance, your players may say, okay, we will wait for an hour for something to happen, and you can increase, click here, value, and add an hour. Okay, an hour is added, and you can again start the clock, for instance. Or you can add minutes or rounds or hours, or you can add, in fact, -1 hours. That everything works. Okay, you can add 10 hours or 10 days. Okay, and if you wanna fancy stuff, for instance, maybe you can simulate that they will do something in 4 hours, but into the game they will do that in 1 hour or in 20 minutes. So you can increase the real-time speed of the clock as many as you wish. For instance, 10 times more. So 1000%. Okay, now you are running at 1000%. Or if you wanna see some fancy stuff, you can increase 1,000 times, and you will have a very fast clock. Okay, but I think that was interesting. That is interesting. And this art is not 100% ready yet. And Bernardo will change some stuff here, but I think now we have a very useful calendar, and that's important for the game. Thank you.